In this video, I'll show you a better way of building index for iris. Let me introduce about the method of adding a new index in the presence of existing data or rebuilding an index when there is a bulk load has recently been made easier to use. Iris stores all the data to global variable, whatever access method is used. First, I'll show you the name of global defined by the persistence class definitions, followed by table definitions that are defined by DDL statement. In this demo, I use sample.temperature. This class extends persistent. It has four properties. Maximum and minimum temperatures can be stored for different regions by date. In this case, persistent data stores to sample.temperature D. Index data stores to sample.temperature I, and stream data stores to sample.temperature S. You can see the details at stage definition that is located bottom of the class definition. Now, I don't have index definition in this class, so I don't have index global now. Let's check it. Go to Management Portal and Global menu. There is no index global related sample.temperature class. This is the data, not indexed data. Next, I run select statement with where clause area is Tokyo for this class. I can get the result. Now here, I'll add index definition for area property and compile the class and run the same query. There is no data. Surprise. Why it is? You can understand why there is no data from showing query plan. Let's check it. It's clear from the query plan. The query uses new index that name is area index. So do we have the global data for area index? Let's check it. I refresh my browser. We don't have sample.temperature I. What this means? If we define index definition in persistent class, we need the index data for rebuilding by hand, not running automatically. Let's do it. I can use both build index SQL statement or %build indices method. After rebuilding, I can see the global for the index. Let's check it. I can see sample.temperature I and created new index data. And I run same select statement. I can get the result correctly. Now, let's try to do the same thing with a table defined with create table statement. First, running create table statement for sample SQL.temperature table, and running load data statement for the table. I can get the data from select statement that the area is Tokyo. Next, I add index with create index statement. And I run same select statement again. I can get the result correctly. The behavior is different from persistent class. That is, index global is created by running create index definition. Let's check that this is correct by referring to global data. Go to Management Portal, Global menu. I can get global data for the index. You can see the global name is different from persistent class. After 2018.1, it is changed to use the hashed name for the global name with a table defined by the create table statement. You can confirm it easily to use the SQL table name option in global menu. And you can also check it at the storage definition in the projected class definition. Through this demo, you can know how to check index global name and the difference of timing to create index global with adding index definition to persistent class or adding index with DDL statement. Next, I would like to introduce the defer option of the create index statement. If you have a lot of data in your table, you may need add new index in it. Create index statement will rebuild soon after defined. We guess the rebuilding takes a long time depending on the data volume. So you'd like to rebuild index data during nighttime via batch processes. But we can do that with normal create index statement. So we can use differ option in it. For the preparation, I will drop the index now. The procedure is you can run create index with differ option at the daytime. Now I run it. Now I can confirm the differ option can set the index name as not selectable. I can confirm management portal. I select maps indexes and area index shows not selectable. This means the query optimizer can't select the index marked not selectable in the query plan. So I run same select statement. The query plan doesn't use area index. After build index or build indices method, the mode is changed to selectable automatically. So you can also set task definition at midnight to rebuild index with build index statement or build indices method. In this demo, I run build index now. Let's check the mode on management portal. It changed to selectable mode. It's very useful. If you want to keep not selectable after rebuilding, you can also do that keep selectability option with build index statement or build indices method. I recommend to do it using 2024.1 after. For your information, if you use persistent class definition, you can run DDL statement by adding DDL allowed keyword of class definition. Now, we will show you how to check whether an index is not selectable or selectable. When using the management portal, refer to the map indexes section. When using SQL statement, you can use map status column of information schema indexes table. Area index map status is selectable. Well, create index with differ option is useful to add new index. But our operations are diverse. How about bulk load? In this case, we have existing data and may have some index definition. And bulk load takes a long time. So we can use load bulk data with %no index option to finish loading as quickly as possible. But if we use the option, we need to build the index data after loading. It may take a long time. During rebuilding, we can also run select statement. So we may see different result depending on the timing, like a gradual increase in search result. To avoid different result, we can set not selectable mode for target index. We can change the mode to selectable or not selectable with the method of system object. Because this is a method, you need to log in Iris and run the method like this. If you use SQL-centric environment, you can add new stored procedure for running this method. In next demo, I'll add stored procedure for it. This is a procedure, and I run it. And call this procedure sample SQL.temperature area index is not selectable. So let's check it. This index is not selectable. Next, I run bulk load with %no index option. And I set not selectable mode for the area index before running build index the table. Run build index statement. And let's check it the select mode. Area index is selectable mode. That's it. It's all SQL. In recently version, we can use a combination for create index with differ option and build index. We can run simple and safe way to add index and rebuild it. We can easily check the selectable or not selectable mode. And we can choose the timing for setting the index to selectable or not selectable mode while rebuilding it. That's an introduction to a more convenient index rebuilding method. Thank you for watching.